The best oils for your skin are those rich in essential fatty acids, vitamins, antioxidants, and other nourishing compounds. They promote hydration, maintain the skin's barrier function, soothe irritation, and combat signs of aging. Incorporating the right oils into your skincare routine will be the key to unlocking your skin's true potential. Number 1. Carrot seed oil. Packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants, this golden-hued oil is gaining popularity in the beauty industry for its remarkable skin-enhancing properties. It is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, which work together to promote cell regeneration, repair damage caused by free radicals, and improve overall skin tone and texture. Carrot seed oil also contains carotenoids, which give it its vibrant color and help protect the skin from environmental stressors. This oil is particularly beneficial for those with mature or aging skin. Its powerful anti-aging properties help reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots, giving the skin a youthful and radiant glow. Additionally, it has moisturizing properties that help keep the skin hydrated, soft, and supple. To incorporate carrot seed oil into your skincare routine, mix a few drops with a carrier oil, like jojoba or coconut oil, and gently massage it onto cleansed skin. Alternatively, you can add a few drops to your favorite moisturizer or serum. Number 2. Rosehip seed oil. Rosehip seed oil is a natural elixir that has gained popularity for its remarkable benefits in enhancing the health and appearance of the skin. Derived from the seeds of wild rose bushes, this golden oil is packed with nutrients and antioxidants that work wonders for various skin concerns. Rich in essential fatty acids such as omega-3 and omega-6, as well as vitamins A and C, this oil helps to improve skin elasticity, tone, and texture. It promotes the regeneration of skin cells, which can reduce the appearance of scars, fine lines, and wrinkles, giving the skin a more youthful and radiant look. To incorporate rosehip seed oil into your skincare routine, apply a couple of drops of the oil to your fingertips and massage it gently onto your face and neck in a circular motion. Allow it to absorb for a few minutes before applying any additional moisturizers or makeup. For best results, use it twice daily in the morning and night. Number 3. Argan oil. Argan oil, also known as liquid gold, is a natural oil derived from the kernels of the argan tree native to Morocco. This luxurious oil offers a myriad of benefits for the skin, making it a prized ingredient in the beauty industry. Not only does it possess exceptional moisturizing properties, but it also contains essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins that promote skin health. One of the remarkable benefits of argan oil is its ability to moisturize and nourish the skin. It is easily absorbed, leaving the skin soft, supple, and radiant. The high vitamin E content in argan oil helps repair damaged skin cells and improves overall skin elasticity, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Moreover, argan oil has anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for those with acne-prone or sensitive skin. It helps soothe irritation, reduce redness, and promote a clearer complexion. Afterward, apply a few drops of argan oil onto your fingertips and gently massage it into your face and neck in circular motions. You can also mix a few drops of argan oil with your favorite moisturizer for an extra boost of hydration. For hair care, apply a small amount of argan oil to damp hair to tame frizz and add shine. Number 4. Jojoba oil. Jojoba oil's unique composition closely resembles the sebum produced by our own skin, making it an excellent moisturizer and protector. When applied topically, it forms a non-greasy, lightweight barrier on the skin, locking in moisture and preventing dehydration. This makes it suitable for all skin types, including oily and acne-prone skin. Moreover, jojoba oil is rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps combat free radicals and reduce the signs of aging. Apart from moisturizing, jojoba oil has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. It can calm irritated skin, alleviate redness, and provide relief for conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Additionally, jojoba oil's antibacterial qualities make it effective in combating acne-causing bacteria and reducing breakouts. Using jojoba oil is easy. It can be applied directly to the skin, either alone or maybe mixed with other skincare products like moisturizers or serums. A few drops are usually sufficient for the face, and they can also be used on the body or as a hair treatment. Jojoba oil can be incorporated into skincare routines both day and night for maximum benefits. Number 5. Lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil is not only a delight for the senses with its calming floral scent, but also a powerhouse when it comes to benefiting the skin. One of the key benefits of lavender essential oil is its ability to soothe and heal the skin. It possesses natural anti-inflammatory properties that can alleviate redness, irritation, and itchiness. Whether you're dealing with acne, eczema, or sunburn, a few drops of lavender oil mixed with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba can work wonders in calming the skin and promoting faster healing. Additionally, lavender essential oil is a potent antioxidant, which means it can help protect the skin from the damaging effects of free radicals and environmental pollutants. You can dilute a few drops in your favorite moisturizer or facial oil and apply it directly to the skin. Alternatively, you can create a soothing lavender-infused toner by adding a few drops of oil to a spray bottle filled with water. This can be spritzed onto the face after cleansing to refresh and nourish the skin. It's important to note that lavender essential oil is highly concentrated, so always dilute it before applying it to the skin to avoid any potential sensitivity or adverse reactions. Patch testing on a small area of skin is also recommended, especially for those with sensitive skin. Number 6. Rose oil. One of the remarkable benefits of rose oil is its ability to moisturize and nourish the skin. It is rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids that help lock in moisture, making it an excellent choice for dry and dehydrated skin. Regular use of rose oil can improve skin elasticity, leaving it supple and radiant. Additionally, rose oil possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe irritated and sensitive skin. It can calm redness, reduce swelling, and alleviate conditions like rosacea and eczema. Its gentle nature makes it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Furthermore, rose oil promotes skin regeneration and rejuvenation. It can stimulate collagen production, which can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving you a more youthful complexion. Its astringent properties also help tighten pores, resulting in smoother and firmer skin. To incorporate rose oil into your skincare routine, you can dilute a few drops in a carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil and apply it directly to your face and body. Number 7. Pomegranate oil. One of the key advantages of pomegranate oil is its ability to promote youthful-looking skin. It contains a high concentration of antioxidants such as vitamin C and ellagic acid, which help combat free radicals and protect the skin from oxidative stress. This can reduce the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots, leaving your skin smoother and more radiant. Additionally, pomegranate oil possesses remarkable moisturizing properties. Its lightweight texture allows for deep penetration into the skin, providing hydration without clogging pores. Regular use can help improve skin elasticity and firmness, making it an excellent choice for those with dry or aging skin. Furthermore, pomegranate oil has anti-inflammatory qualities that can soothe irritated and sensitive skin. It may help alleviate conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and acne. The oil's antimicrobial properties also make it effective in fighting bacteria and preventing breakouts. To incorporate pomegranate oil into your skincare routine, you can mix it with your favorite moisturizer or add a few drops to your face mask for an extra boost of nourishment. Number 8. Baobab oil. One of the key advantages of baobab oil is its exceptional moisturizing capabilities. Its rich composition of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins A, D, and E, and antioxidants make it a highly effective natural moisturizer. It nourishes the skin, providing deep hydration without leaving a greasy residue. Regular use of baobab oil can help combat dryness, soothe irritation, and promote a soft and supple complexion. Furthermore, baobab oil boasts impressive anti-aging properties. Its high vitamin C content helps stimulate collagen production, improving the skin's elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The oil's antioxidants also protect against free radicals, which can damage the skin and accelerate aging. To incorporate baobab oil into your skincare routine, apply a couple of drops of the oil onto your skin and gently massage it into your face and neck in a circular motion. Allow the oil to absorb into the skin for a few minutes before following up with your usual moisturizer. Number 9. Rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is renowned for its exceptional benefits for the skin, making it the best oil to incorporate into your skincare routine. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, rosemary oil helps combat signs of aging, reduce acne, and improve overall skin health. To apply it, dilute a few drops of rosemary oil in a carrier oil such as jojoba or coconut oil. Gently massage the mixture onto clean skin, focusing on areas of concern. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Regular use of rosemary oil will leave your skin rejuvenated, radiant, and blemish-free. Number 10. Evening Primrose Oil. Evening primrose oil, extracted from the seeds of the evening primrose plant, is packed with gamma-linolenic acid, renowned for its ability to soothe skin conditions like eczema and dermatitis. By reducing inflammation and encouraging skin regeneration, it provides relief and promotes a healthier complexion. Additionally, its moisturizing properties deeply hydrate the skin, improving overall texture and helping to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time. Incorporating evening primrose oil into your daily skincare regimen can contribute to a smoother, more radiant complexion, making it a valuable addition to your beauty routine. The best oils for your skin are those that are non-comedogenic, meaning they won't clog your pores and are rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids. However, it's important to remember that everyone's skin is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's always a good idea to consult with a skincare professional or dermatologist to give you the best advice on oils to use for your specific skin type and concerns. If you want to learn more about your health, check this video to discover the worst foods that are destroying your pancreas.